Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you how to use zipper foot for a manual sewing machine. So I want to fix zipper, we're going to use it. So this is how the manual machine zipper foot is. This place like this, you can unscrew it so you can drag it in out like this and drag it in. Like you can unscrew it, open it up and down. This is what I mean. If I open it now, if I want to sew maybe like an invisible zipper, I can adjust it. Do you understand? So but this is how it is. This is how so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just unscrew this place. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then this is how the zipper foot is. Just so you want to buy zipper foot in the market, I think I bought this one too last year. So this is how it is. So I'm just going to fix it like this. You just unscrew it very well. It makes sewing your zipper very interesting. So you just lock it in and we're good to go. So I can adjust it. I can adjust this place. If I want it to shift a bit, all I have to do is to just adjust this place like this. Can you see it? So, and if you want it to shift this side, just push, unscrew this place and push it on. So this is perfect for me because this place is wide. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open my zipper now. Can you see it? So after placing it, you can just start sewing. Makes it very easy to sew your zipper. Just sew it. See how close it is. Can you see? So let me just life easy. So I advise you. I think manual machine comes with it, but if it electric machine comes with it, but if you're using a manual machine, so the next thing you just want to do now is to just close this part up. It makes it easy too for you to close it. So beautiful. This is how it looks. You can see it's very neat, and the stitches are close to the edge of the zip. So I can now change it now and use my manual machine to close this place down. So you can just remove it. So this is how you use it. Like I said earlier, this is how it looks. It's flat like this. This place can be adjusted, so you can push it up, push it down. If you just want to screw, you can push it like this, push it to the other side. So if you like this tutorial, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. Bye.